Hey guys, this is Elias from EK Planes. Today we have the interactive series of Gemini jets. We have a Boeing 747-400 of UPS livery. So let's do the unboxing and have a closer look to the model. So guys, this is the box. I already opened it, as you can see. Here we have some details about the particular model. As you can see, the box is quite big because, sorry, the camera was moved, because it is a very big aircraft in the scale 1/400. Here is some information about the company, and here is the most important thing. It's a warning, contains small parts unsuitable for children under 14 years old of age. This is for collection, this is not a toy, guys. So let's open it, and voila, cheap plastic as always from all manufacturers. Some useless thing. And here is our model. Our model comes with the door closed, so I will review it with the doors closed first, and then I will explain you how to take out these parts and put the doors that they look like open. So guys, from the head to the tail, just in front we have the door that it is removable. We have some details. We have the pitot hitch right here, the cockpit windows. On the top we have the escape hatch. I hope you can see it right here. The only one passenger door for the crew and the pilots. The worldwide services, the logo of UPS. These three windows is for the crew rest. Maybe it's the cabins up there. One antenna here and one antenna in the back. On the wings we can see the General Electric massive engines of the Boeing 747. We don't have a lot of details like windows, like emergency doors all around, because it is a cargo airplane. Here we have another hatch, another door, cargo door. It is removable. I will show you with the tool how to remove it. Right here we have the registration number. On the tail we have the UPS logo on this side. On the other side, pretty much the same things, plus we have one cargo door, it's opening here, and one cargo door is opening right here. Also the registration number. On the bottom we have the GEMINIJETS logo. Focus, yep. The hole for the stand. On the nose right here we have a UPS logo also. The wheels are rolling the correct size. I'm not a really fan of rolling wheels. The thing that impressed me very much is that they are doing that. They simulated, you know, when it will land or take off. You know, they are putting in an angle if they don't touch the ground. It is nice, I must say that. On the wings, okay, we have the red navigation light right here and the green navigation light right here. The winglets. So enough with the closed doors. Let's take out the nose. It's very easy, don't lose them. And we have the removable nose. It has two metal small things. I can't explain you in English. I am Greek, I'm very sorry, but you catch the point, and you put it very gentle here, if I can do it. Give me a second, guys. No. Here it is with the nose up. They also give you a tool, it looks like that. It's like a can opener for the old ones. They will catch the point, catch the meaning. So you put it in the small hole and you just pull. Very easy. Pull gently. Find the correct door. And the door, no, sorry. And the door is open. The same way it's on the other side, the two bottom cargo doors. So on your setups, I will use, of my setup at least, I'm using the Fantasy Wind Cargo GSE right here. Let's put some cargo on here, and the truck is pulling the cargo. So this is the interactive series. It is a must-have to all airports that they have cargo terminals, especially in Halifax Stanfield International Airport, that the model airport I'm representing. It's a Canadian airport based in Nova Scotia, Canada. It comes a lot of UPS aircrafts inside the week. I like it very much. It is something special for your airports. It is made by GEMINIJETS. All the colors, all the details are very, very accurate. They've done a very, very good job, I must say that. Pretty much that was it, guys. Stay tuned about new unboxing and releases of from all manufacturers. Live updates from the real home island airport, Kefalonia International Alapolatu, Lima Golf Kilo Foxtra. Model airport updates from Halifax Stanfield International Airport scale 1/400. I hope you enjoyed the video, and until the next time, guys, bye.